Now I'll be talking to you about accounting system as an information system. Accounting as an information system. So, accounting being the language of business, it is used to link financial and other information to individual, organization, and governments on various stages of business, non-business entities. For instance, whilst a firm applies for a loan from a bank, it must submit details of its commercial business statements in terms of working capital, that is income or loss, and the financial statements, which are their assets and liabilities. Further, the stakeholders need to have financial information with the objective to examine the performance of the management. Many laws require that worthy economic information to be reported to numerous government departments, which includes income tax department, sales tax department, and so on. Accounting is a set of tools by which reports collected and are interpreted to gain financial information from the activities of different organizations. Therefore, accounting is related with communicating the outcomes of an organization. Now, the users of accounting information. So you need to know who uses this accounting information. The users are owners or the stakeholders, managers in a company, prospective investors who need to invest in that company, creditors, bankers, and other lending institutions, government, employees, regulatory agencies, and even researchers. So the owners and stakeholders, the main objective of accounting is to provide essential information to all the owners allied to their business. The objective of accounting is to provide all data to the proprietors related to their businesses. Managers are controlling all the operational activities of a business, and the control totally rely on the correct information at correct time. To improve the performance, managers should access periodic updates of these financial information. The individuals who are planning to invest in a business will like to know about profits and proper financial position of company. So the investor use accounting information to judge the financial soundness of any business. Business creditors. The business creditors, banking institutes, and other advancing organizations want to be satisfied that the amount which they have lended will be paid back within a specific time limit. All the financial statements or records of a company aid these creditors, bankers, and other lending institutions for evaluating the current financial position of a business, if they will be able to return the money. The government is also interested in financial statements of a business on account of taxation, labor, and corporate laws. So the employees that are working in a company have an interest in financial statements because employees raise their salaries and wages and payments of bonuses based upon the size of the profits earned by a company. Various government departments and agencies such as company law board, registrar of companies, tax authorities, and others use accounting reports not only as a basis for tax assessment but also in evaluating how well various businesses are running under regulatory legislation. Accounting data is also utilized by research scholars in the research in accounting theory as well as business issues and practices.